Sure, Jack.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, it's recording. I can see, Jack.
Okay. Yeah, Jack, and Jack, this is a trading platform, manager. This is MT4, and
Sure, Jack.
this is a
It's
MT4.
what?
It's MT4. But for me,
Okay, yes.
it's empty. I don't feel like this is necessary for a platform. Jack, you can just go online and check how it works. Jack. I wanna teach you what is forex, not how to use the platform.
Sure, Jack.
Go online.
I have MT. I think it's MT5 or MT4 on my phone. Let me
Yeah.
just check. It's been there for I think 2 months now. Yeah,
Okay.
MT4.
Okay. So yeah, Jack, and you can choose that you want to analyze charts. I mean line graph or
Okay.
candlestick, or
Okay.
I think these are Japanese stick or something. So I prefer candlestick because they give more information.
Okay, Jack.
Yeah, when I say they give more information, in terms of you can tell by the long tail that the price was being rejected. What I mean by being rejected, it means it couldn't go through. Like you see this one, it has a long tail and a
Yes.
small body. I can't see it now. But can you see it, Nja? This.
Yeah, I can see the candlestick. You're saying it's a what long?
It has a small body. This is a body. Then these are the
Yes.
tails at the end. Those are the tails.
Yes. Is
Yeah,
that what we call a kangaroo tail or something?
Candlestick.
candlestick, Jack.
Yeah, no, I know it's a candlestick, but I've heard like one of the candlestick, like the body, if it has a long tail or something, it's called a kangaroo something something. I'm just asking if
It's kangaroo.
like this one.
Yeah. Say
I
this
see
one.
like that one that's pointing, like it's got a long tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I heard somewhere actually. I want you just to confirm if I'm right. Is that called a kangaroo like candlestick or something like that?
Yeah, to be honest, in general, like the general name is candlestick, and then they have different names based on how they are. Such as this
Oh,
one. This one can be, they call it a dragonfly or something because it has a long tail and a small body there. And then another
okay.
one that has a small body but long tail in both sides, it has a different name. So to be honest, in chat, different candlestick has different name, but you can go through them online to read about them. But yeah, but for me, they are not really interesting. What you should know, the pattern they form.
Oh, okay.
The pattern they form. So yeah, Nja, basically, the first thing you do, I'm just gonna teach you directly the strategy. Nja.
Sure, Jack.
The first thing you do, you go to a bigger time frame, you check the overall trend. What do you notice? What do you notice in about this trend here? From here,
I would say it's from where?
from starting from here. You don't need to, cause this is monthly,
Okay.
which means one candlestick. It took a month to be formed.
Okay.
And then this is weekly.
Okay.
One candlestick, it took a week to be formed. Daily, same story.
Okay.
4 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes up to 1 minute.
Okay.
So you always start on a bigger time frame just to check the overall trend.
Oh,
Start
okay.
on a monthly if you want to, but I don't suggest. It's either you start on a weekly or a daily.
Okay.
Yeah. So I prefer a daily or a week just to check the overall trend. How is it going? You see how is it going? It's going up. Do you notice that?
Yes, Jack, I can see
that Njaka just from here.
Yeah.
Because this is around 2006 and it has been going up ever since up to 2019.
Okay.
So now you see the overall trend, and then you go to daily chart. There it is, still going up.
Okay.
So now you know that the market is going up on a bigger time frame. So and this is channeling, Aninja. So you just draw your trend lines on the last sort of on the last ends of the channel, like here. You can't draw them. You can't draw your trend line in this line at in between. You need to draw them on the last tails of the candles.
Okay.
Yeah, of the trend or a candle. Just like that, Jack. You see?
Oh, okay.
You see that?
Sure, Jack. I'm with you.
Then it's going up. So you know that your market is going now between, and then you draw also at the bottom. So they call the one at the bottom, the line at the bottom, they call it a support. The one at the top, they call it a resistance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you draw both at the bottom and the top?
Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't happen like that. Sometimes at the top it cannot be, it's not nice, or at the bottom it can only be nice. I mean, in terms of drawing the line at the bottom or at the top. Yeah. So sometimes it's not really obvious. As long as one, you can draw one line, but two, it's almost bad. So now you know, Jaka, that you are expecting something like this, Ane? Do you see?
Sure.
Do you see that?
Okay.
Are you still with me, Jack? I don't tell me.
Yeah, I saw you draw the thing in the line now at the end of the graph.
So now you know that you're expecting something like this, at least, probably. Yeah. And then you know, it doesn't matter if it turns here at this point or it turns at this line, but you know, around somewhere there is going to be something like, but that is going to take time, because this is a day. One candlestick, it takes a day to be formed.
Okay, sure.
Imagine just from here to 2016 to 2019, but expecting something like this and something like this late.
Okay.
And then you go to your 4-hour time frame, Jack.
Okay.
Within 4-hour time frame also. You also can see that there's also a trend. I'm gonna zoom in a bit after this. This one with long tails, try to ignore them, because these were the news. So that's what made the market to actually jump that high.
Okay.
These outliers.
It's an outlier.
Yeah. Means there was a news.
Sounds like.
By the way, this pair we're analyzing is GBP/AUD, pound Australian dollar.
Pound Australian dollar.
Yeah. You can see it in China. GBP/AUD.
Because from the book, yeah, I can see, Jack. Can I just ask something, Jack? Like from that book that I screenshot and I showed you, they spoke about, I think they said there's 6 or 8 powerhouse currencies.
Yeah. True. In which is USD, it's Euro USD, it's USD JPY, it's GBP USD. And yes. Those are the first 3. They go in one direction. This thing is global. And then there's other one which is so these first 3, they go in the same trend. Basically, if this one, this Euro USD, the trend is down, it means this also is, the trend is down. This one also is down. And then these three, USD Chef, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, those are the other three, but they also go in the same direction, but they go opposite to these first three. If these first three are going down, these ones are going up.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the 6 power currencies.
And then the last two.
No, it's 6.
Oh, it's not 8.
Ukraine, Jack.
Sure, Jack.
Yeah. So yeah, I want to show you this also within the 4-hour time frame. Also, you have a channel. You see, would have something like that is like this. I don't want to draw lines. You have something that is going like this. Okay, let me draw them. Yeah, Jack, do you see that?
Sure, Jack. I can see the trend.
Can see the trend.
Sure, Jack.
So what you do again, you go to a smaller time frame.
Okay.
So a smaller time frame, a 1-hour time frame, this is where you enter your trades. Also then, also a trend. There's also a trend. Let me delete these ones. These ones was just showing you the trend. For now, I'm still showing you the trend. I'm gonna show you how to enter. What do you look for? I'm just showing you that in different time frames. Within the time frame, you have a different trend from the main trend.
Okay.
So let's zoom in the smaller 1-hour time frame. You see, also in the smaller 1-hour time frame, you have a trend, something like this: up, down, down, up, down.
Yeah.
Up
Yes.
point, up, down. Do you get that, Jack?
Sure, Jack.
On this one, I just drew down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And
Sure, Jack.
so, Jane, on your daily time frame, you go back to daily time frame. And daily time frame.
Sure.
You take just the last trend, of the bigger channel, like this one. You see, and then the market broke through here. The market broke this resistance. The line at the top is resistance. Yeah,
yes.
It broke, and once it broke, Njaka, things that you always know these things and remember them. Once it broke, it has to go up or go down, then come back and retest the line. So it has to do something like this. Let's say we didn't know this section from this point.
Okay.
From this point here, how the market was gonna move, this section here. So these are the two things that the market can do. It can do this, and it can break, then come back on the same line again, and this line. Can form something like this, then go up. Let me change this. Are you still with me, Jack?
Sure, Jack.
Now this is what it can do. So that's the first part. The second part is look at the previous turning point in chart, which is this one right here.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
draw a horizontal line.
Okay.
So a market, if it doesn't turn on this resistance here, it can come
Yes.
and turn around this area here.
Oh.
So this is what it did. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Didn't turn exactly, but that's the formation of the market. That's what it does. So the moment it breaks out, you buy, and then on the next turning point you take your profit. Therefore, but you don't do that on the daily time frame. You do that on the 1 hour time frame.
Okay.
This is your 1 hour time frame. You're gonna see
So
this.
okay. Okay. So meaning. Oh no. It's fine.
So you see, this is what I was gonna predict. You see.
Okay.
So you wait for it
So
to
you would have entered your trades where now? Like
the
where
moment
the
it
point
breaks, I would have entered here. Let me be honest with you. Would have entered here around this X here. Then it
Okay.
go up, then come and retest, go up, then come and retest again, then go up. Then take my profit on the previous turning point. Basically, one of the previous turning point, it was gonna be this one, this point right here. So I was gonna take my profit. Let me draw this line. Then I go back to that 1 hour time frame. Around here. So it means I was gonna take my profit here.
Oh.
And then wait for it to retrace again. After it retrace, come and test this point. You go in again. When you go in, you know it's gonna go up for a long time now. In which this is what this pair will do from now on. So what's the process in Chaka? It's bigger time frame. You check the overall trend,
Yes.
And then after checking the overall trend, I was just checking. I'm in this trade, so yeah.
Relax and Jack. Relax.
Yeah, you check the bigger time frame is daily or weekly. Just check the overall trend, and then you start drawing your channels or your support and resistance on a daily time frame,
Sure, Jack.
And then you go to your 4-hour chart. You draw your trend also, and then your 1 hour time frame. This is where you enter. What the market must do, it must break the trend line. You see, it broke it here. It must come and retest again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can enter the moment it breaks here. You can enter, take your profit on the previous turning point.
This turning point, yeah.
This one.
Yes.
And then you wait for retracement again. Then you go in after retracement. And then when you go in, you go in for
longer now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to take your profit again on the next turning point, in which is you're going to take your profit where? Around this zone here. Around this zone here.
So meaning I'll be placing 1 hour trades or something like that, right? Or
no, you're gonna be taking your trade on a 1 hour time frame.
Time frame.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just want to understand something, Jack. 1 hour time frame. So does that mean like my trade will only be active for 1 hour or what?
No, 1 hour time frame. It means your trade.
Or the next candlestick.
Yeah, it's formed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it took 1 hour to be formed.
Oh, okay, Jack. I can leave it for a month or a year or a day or whatever, right? It doesn't matter.
Well, yeah, it doesn't matter as long as you know the overall trend. But I know you're not gonna do that. The moment you see a profit.
No, I cannot be doing it under your mentorship, in Jack.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
fine, you can leave the trade for 2 weeks. Then you take your profit.
Okay.
Like these ones are
But we'll cover that one, I think. We'll discuss it more deeper as we go or something.
yeah. But we get this one.
Yeah, Jack. I think I just need to go through the video. But so far, when it breaks, I place my trade and then I need to check for the previous turning point. That's why I take my profit. And then you said it will not resurface. What's the word again? I forgot it, but it will retrace.
Yeah,
Again.
retrieve or
And
come
then
and
I place my trades again. And then which means in this case it should the trade scale again. It's a bull, right? A bull something, bull rush.
A bull it means it's going up, Jack.
Going up, which means it's gonna go up for a much longer period than.
Yeah, bears going down. I'm horrible with these technical terms.
So you're just like me, Jack.
I'm horrible. I just wanna know the direction. That's it for me. Jack.
Sure, Jack.
Are you okay with that one?
Yeah, I'm okay with that one, Jack.
We can do another one, Annie.
Yeah, Jack. Most definitely.
We can try this one.
While you're at it, Jack, is there a specific name for this strategy or something?
No, it doesn't.
I don't know.
It's just a strategy I developed, Jack.
Strategy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just a strategy I developed, Annie. So.
No, I'm kidding.
Can you hear her, Jack?
Yeah.
Did you hear her?
Jack, can hear everything.
Yeah. Okay, Jack.
I'm kidding.
Oh, Jack.
This is what we do, Jack.
Okay.
Bigger time frame, what's it, banker?
Sure, Jack.
Yeah, you see now this is a perfect example of being able to draw only just one support or resistance. You see for this one, let's start on the daily.
Okay, Jack.
On a daily, you only can draw what? A support, Jack. You see, tested it here,
okay.
And here you can't draw a parallel line. You only can draw a horizontal line. But
this
is a resistance, Jack. Tested it here.
In that case,
here.
Okay.
Tested it here. Where do you expect the market to go? There. Anish.
Sure.
From this. And then from here you expect it to go where? Up there. But this in Jack, remember, this is the daily. And from here, this was 2018 March. Then here, this was 7 March 2019. So this trend it took a year. This can also take probably. But you just want to know the overall trend.
Sure, Jack.
And then what do you do? Smaller time frame, Mangishu?
Sure.
You check the trend, ane? For this, you don't have a trend. What is undo? Is undo Control Z? For this, you don't have a trend. It was just consolidating. Meaning most traders were going in. Going in. Some were buying, some were selling. So with consolidation, how consolidation works in Chaka. This is powerful what I'm gonna tell you now. Consolidation, you get the trend, and you get the market direction from one point, and then consolidation. When consolidation form, it means the market is going to change direction. That's the secret. That's the
Oh.
secret. So like this, the market was going down, and start around here. Market was going down, started consolidating here. To see this,
Yes, sure.
to be a time frame so that you can see it nice. This is the secret of consolidation, Jack. I hope it's not horrible. Let's start. The market went up and dropped a bit and then started consolidating here. When it's consolidating, it doesn't move a lot. And then it changed direction. It went down. Started consolidating. It went down a bit, consolidation. Then it went up. Then it consolidated, went up a bit. Then it went down. Started consolidating. It went up. Started consolidating. It goes down. Do you see what with consolidation pattern? The moment we have consolidation, it means the market is going to move opposite to the previous direction. That's the consolidation, Jack. The moment something, but it can also, the consolidation can take a week or weeks. You just need to be patient.
Okay.
So for this, you don't have that breakout, the one we just analyzed. Yeah. For this, the market consolidated, started dropping. In which, Njaka, this thing's still gonna drop to this point here. With consolidation, how do you enter, Njaka? You also go to a smaller time frame. Jack, I'm sorry if I'm horrible, and I hope you can. I'm trying my best to. The thing I feel like I'm teaching is someone who already know.
Jack, I agree. Do the research and then I'll keep asking questions.
Okay, Jack. And this is the secret of consolidation in China. You draw also 2 lines on consolidation.
Okay.
2 parallel lines, your support and your resistance at the biggest tail of the consolidation, meaning the highest and the lowest.
Okay.
Let me not use this one. Is La Costra there?
No, Jack.
Oh.
That's my other brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what you do. In fact, okay, I didn't notice this. Seems like it also does the same pattern, but it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It sort of does the same pattern. You see, it broke out, it came and retest, and then it went down. Similar to that one. I just noticed it now. I didn't notice it before. But what I do with consolidation, the moment it breaks out here at this line, I go in, Jack. I go in.
You what?
I end.
It's a sell, right?
The sell. And then sell the market until it comes to this line here. The one we drew on a bigger time frame. Remember that line we drew there. The daily time frame. So it means we're gonna hold it for something like a month. Which is, I know myself, Jack, I don't wanna lie to you. I always tell people hold it for a month, but I don't. Once I held it for 2 weeks, I see that I'm in enough profit, I go out.
Why, Jack, is it so, if I may ask?
Jack, profit is tempting. I don't wanna lie.
Profit. Yeah, I remember you once told me that you mustn't be greedy. Yeah. I think that's what you're implying, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Profit is tempting, I don't wanna lie to you. But yeah, I only held it for 2 weeks, and then once I'm in profit, I go out. But what you do, Njaka, you wait for it to break out and then you go in. Sometimes it doesn't come and retest. Sometimes with consolidation, it just breaks and then goes down.
So can I just ask, Njaka, in this case, where would you have placed your buy?
My buy?
I mean, your sell.
My sell?
Your sell. Yes.
Here. Okay. Here. around this area here.
So it's like immediately just after it.
Yeah, after this candlestick, this one closes, I would have
Yes.
entered here. Then it was
Uh-huh.
gonna go down a bit, then
Uh-huh.
go up and chow me a bit, consolidate,
Oh, okay.
drop again.
Mm.
I'm thinking of taking this one. I'm taking it. I just took it.
You just took.
I just took this trade live in front of you. Yeah. Because I know this thing is going to drop up to that point. So for this one, it's simple. You know your take profit will be here. This line. Which is, if you want a previous turning point, you can't be too optimistic. You say you're going to take your profit here. It may not break here. So you rather take this line here. It may not break. It may turn here. Because it couldn't break this. It couldn't break this. What possibly do you think it could break this? And we know that the overall trend is going up. You see, Jack.
Sure, Jack.
So yeah, but this is also a lot of money. Jack. Taking a profit here, even taking a profit around, here, because remember this is daily. Let's say around here, this thing comes around here. This is still a lot of money because this one candlestick is a daily.
Oh.
So you see different. You see different.
That's a couple of things until it reach that point.
So Njaka, you wait for what? A breakout in consolidation.
Consolidation for a breakout.
Wait for a breakout. This is a breakout. On the second candlestick, I would have entered.
Okay.
Are you okay, Jack?
I'm okay, Jack. I'm okay. Positive, Jack. I'm following.
Okay. Let's do another one.
I'm positive, Jack. Positive.
But are you watching the other videos I've made in Jack?
Sure, Jack. Just didn't understand because I think after this one I'll go back to them, Jack.
Delete all selected. Okay, this is Euro USD, Jack.
Okay, Euro USD. Yeah, I can see Euro USD there. 4-hour chart.
Yeah, I'm on a 4-hour chart, Jack. I'm just deleting this stuff.
Can I just ask something, Jack? I can see you've got a lot of charts opened there at the bottom. Are those charts the ones that you are analyzing on day-to-day basis or what?
Yeah.
Most of them. You are deleting some of the things now, so I'm assuming that.
Yeah. Most of them, they're already analyzed. I already know the direction.
Oh, okay. You even trade Usdzar, Jack. USD Usdzar, South African rands.
I can show you also my where's Usdzar?
I can see it there in the bottom. Yeah, there.
You see that what it was doing? It was doing this. You see here. Here was Charles Manager. I predicted this that was gonna around when the market was here that it was gonna go down. I chowed money here. And then I didn't trade again. So now it broke this line. I predict. I for this one I think you should tell me what is it gonna do.
Can you start at the day chart? Okay, go back to the 4-hour chart. It's a sell, Jack.
Yeah, it's a sell. You are right. But what is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? What did I tell you? After it break out, what is it gonna do?
Or it's gonna you're gonna take or you're gonna place your trade on it, and then you're gonna go into the second turning point, Jack. I don't know.
Yeah, that's when you are entering. But I
That's
said
when you are.
what it's gonna do, it's gonna go down and
Yes.
it comes
And
back.
then it's gonna retest.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to hear from you. That
Oh, okay. So
at this point, you sell, Jack,
so-
because this is what it's gonna do.
retest. Ish. Yeah.
So that's the prediction for Zanja. Okay, we just done it.
Mhm. Okay.
But if you wanna enter on this one, this is where you're gonna take your profit. So that's the direction for Za. I think Za is gonna go to be honest, around 13, 13.9, 13.7. Yeah. That's the direction of for Za in the upcoming weeks. Don't say I didn't tell you.
I'll be keeping a close eye on ZAR USD chart.
Yeah. So okay, let's go to Euro USD.
Sure, Jack. So yeah.
Overall trend, Ninja, what do you notice?
Where are we now? Is it?
On a weekly, it's going down,
Sure. On a weekly, yeah, weekly is going down.
So probably expecting something like this in future. Jack.
Sure, Jack.
So yeah. Then go to your daily. You draw out your trend lines in Jack.
Okay, Jack.
Support and resistance.
Hey, but this trend line is a bit different, okay?
Yeah.
Right. No, like I get you started. I think it was the 1 week chart, and then you drew it differently. But now it's fine. I can see what you're doing. I think you sort of drew it in the middle or something.
Yeah. So you draw trend lines in Jack. So we have something like this. So something like this. And you see here you have a breakout.
Yeah.
You have a breakout here.
There's a breakout there.
What did I say, Inja? Goes up.
It will
And
it will retest, which is
already did that. Do you see? It already did. We're gonna predict.
Yeah, I did the retest there. I can see. So which means it's a buy.
Yeah, exactly. It's a buy, but it's not gonna go up for a long time. Because remember, on a bigger time frame weekly, the trend is going down. So it's something like
sorry.
go up,
Oh yeah. Sorry.
it's gonna go up around it's either around here. No. It's either around here. Because this is one of the biggest turning point. Not sure if you notice. Or here. So it's either gonna come around here. Here and turn and go down. Continue with the trend of going down. Or come at this point and turn and go down. So those are
in this case, can I just pause you for a second? Because we've got two options now. It's either going to turn on the first, I can call it the resistance, right? Or the second one. What do you do in this case? You place your trade such that when it touch before it touches the first resistance, you take your profit in this case and then watch the market again or what happens. I don't know.
Yeah. If you're gonna be patient for I don't know how many months did this move. This move something like a year. Because remember this is 14 September 2018 and this is 29 Jan. So I don't think you're gonna hold it for that much. Child, come on. When you are, let's say you are in $100 USD already at around this area. Do you think you're gonna hold it for that long? You're gonna go out and issue?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, I was just showing basically if you're gonna hold it for a long term, and this is what the direction of the market will do. But when you go to your smaller time frame, you check the confirmation if it's still correct.
Mhm.
Went out, came back and retest. Then now it's gonna go up. Where do you enter? Your bigger time frame, your smaller time frame, your 1 hour time frame.
Smaller, yeah.
You take your profit at the previous turning point. For this case, you can take your profit, your first take profit here, because this was a turning point, isn't it?
Sure, Jack.
Yeah. And then let me try to minimize. And then your second turning point, let me go to bigger time frame. You take your profit where? Here, based on this one or this one. But these two are almost at the same. This is not much, so I would suggest, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. And then thirdly, if you are that keen to hold it for long, can take it on this one or this one. But I think when you are here, would have made a lot of money.
around about how many dollars or GBP?
In pips, okay, this is how we check the pips. From here to there, it's around 132 pips, which is 1,321 points. Depending on your lot size, how big is your lot size, depending on this.
Okay.
Yeah, depending on that. So, but in pips, that's a lot of pips. 126. To be honest, 10 pips can make you a millionaire. 10 pips, depending on the lot size we are using here. 10 pips can make you a millionaire. 122 is a lot. So that's the overall. That's what I use, That's what I use when I'm trading long terms. But yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But yeah, I think let me not feed you too much information. I'm gonna host another session with you tomorrow.
Oh, not a problem, Jack. So, can you just, I don't know now, can you just send me the video and then I'll analyze graphs tomorrow. And then, I don't know, we can have a chat about my analyzations and everything.
Okay, no problem.
Because I've been having a MT4 on my phone. It's been 2 months or so. Been having money on my phone, but I haven't really been utilizing it. And even on my laptop as well, I know that it is there.
Yeah, I would suggest download it on a PC. It's much nicer to analyze than on a phone. Yeah, because on a phone I just monitor the trades I've placed already.
Oh, that's all what you do.
Yeah, that's all I do.
Okay, it's fine. Then I'll just use the one on the PC because of it's there on the PC.
Okay, Jack. Okay.
Now that's the So how are you gonna send it to me? We can send on WhatsApp the video what? Just to check and check the brush.
Okay, let me see how I can.
I don't know.
If I can send it on WhatsApp, it's too big, and then I'm gonna have to send it to what's this? To YouTube, and then I'm gonna download it from there to my YouTube channel.
Not a problem, Jack.
Okay, Jack.
I can just send it there. I'll get it from there.
Okay, Jack. No stress, Jack.
Jack, thank you very much, Jack, for your time. No, Jack, I'm in full time now, Jack. I thought even today was. Yeah.
Gonna go full time now.
I'm not gonna go. I'm full time now, Jack. Starting from yesterday.
I see, Jack. Even reading materials.
Sure, Jack. Like, yeah, man, I'm in, Jack.
Okay.
Like what happened in Malaysia was a reality check. But in any case, in Jack, I know thanks for your time, in Jack, and because I know once we start speaking, me and you will never stop, in Jack. Since was it?
Okay,
Thanks,
Jack.
man.
Okay, Jack.
Sure. So
Sharp.
when are you gonna post it? You're gonna post it now.
Yeah, I'm
The
gonna
video.
post it now.
All right. Thanks, Jack.
Sharp.
Tara.